Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to subtract 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. What is 253 minus 132? First, let's use cubes to represent the number 253. The number 253 has 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. We can show our working in this place value chart. We start subtracting from the smallest place value. So, we subtract the ones first. 3 ones minus 2 ones equals 1 1. We have 1 1 left. Next, we subtract the tens. 5 tens minus 3 tens equals 2 tens. Now we have 2 tens. Finally, we subtract the hundreds. 2 hundreds minus 100 equals 100. We have 100 left. After subtracting, we have 100, 2 tens, and 1 1 left. So, 253 minus 132 is equal to 121. Now, let's look at an example with regrouping. What is 325 minus 172? First, let's use cubes to represent the number 325. The number 325 has 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. We can show our working in this place value chart. We start subtracting from the smallest place value. So, we subtract the ones first. 5 ones minus 2 ones equals 3 ones. We have 3 ones left. Next, we subtract the tens. Since we cannot subtract 7 tens from 2 tens, we regroup 100 into 10 tens. 2 tens plus 10 tens equals 12 tens. Now we have 12 tens. 3 hundreds minus 100 equals 2 hundreds. We have 2 hundreds left. Now, we can start subtracting the tens. 12 tens minus 7 tens equals 5 tens. We have 5 tens left. Finally, we subtract the hundreds. After regrouping, we have 2 hundreds left. 2 hundreds minus 100 equals 100. We have 100 left. After subtracting, we have 100, 5 tens, and 3 ones left. So, 325 minus 172 is equal to 153. Today we have learned how to subtract 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.